Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Small Town Solutions. Today I got something really excited for you guys. I was so excited I couldn't even contain myself, so I had to open the box already. But I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a show of what this is. So here we have the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. It comes in a very nice case. And as you can see, all you do, open it up, and there's the glasses that you have. Show the camera over here. This is another new camera. I'll do a review on this guy. You'll have to look for the video in the comments below, and you can check this guy out in another one of my videos. But today we're focusing on these glasses. So the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses is exactly what they are. They're smart glasses. These guys are also for recording. This has a camera built into it, which is going to make some of my videos for cooking and these unboxings a little bit better, even so that you guys can see exactly what I see. So that's exactly why I bought them. So, very nice. I don't know, what do you guys think? Stylish? I don't know. I like them. These are the Blazer, as you guys can see here on the front of the box. Blazer. I'll show it to the camera there. And yeah, so camera here on the lens, turns on, they play music. They have speakers under here and here. The little power switch is here. These are also prescription ready, so if you have a prescription, you can put prescriptions into these. I don't have a prescription, so these are just transitions. Right now we're inside my kitchen, so they're not very dark, but you go outside, they turn into sunglasses, which is also really, really nice. They record in 3K, so I really haven't had a chance yet to try them to see how the recording is, but from what the reviews I've read, they are really well. This is the new frame style. This is what they call the Blazer style. Meta has, or Ray-Ban, sorry, has a lot of different styles for men and for women. There's also a couple other variants of these, but I, of course, went with these Ray-Bans. So the other thing that you got here is this carrying case. As you guys can see there, the carrying case is its charging case. Charges off of a standard C-port charging cable for like most cell phones. It goes inside. I'm showing the camera over here because you guys can see it. That's where it will attach to the bridge of these glasses to charge them. So you just charge the case and they charge your glasses. These glasses then connect to your cell phone. You will have to download an app for that. The app will allow your phone to connect with these glasses, so all the videos and pictures can transfer to your phone via wireless, which is really, really nice. The other beauty of these glasses is a little bit that I've played with them. They also play music, so you can connect your Spotify to them. They also have a really cool feature because it's connected to your phone. The AI feature on these are incredible. And if you don't read another language, you can look at something and ask it, hey Meta, what does this say? And it's going to translate it for you and play it through the speakers above your ears. So it's going to read exactly what you're seeing if you don't understand the language. So like I said, I've only started to I haven't really even played with these all that much, but what I've already played with, I'm absolutely loving them. So yeah, if any of you guys have any questions about these, drop a link in the comments below. If anybody has used these before or has a similar pair, let me know what you think. And again, thank you guys for tuning in. Remember to follow, like, subscribe, and see you guys again next time here on Small Town Solutions. Thanks a lot, guys.